teams were given the powerful Polaris, machines that were meant to help them in the jungle and in the survival through the night. Prem emerged as the best driver of the ATVs, and the Lightning Challengers retained their first position. Satpura Tiger Reserve, a place where people are scared to venture out in the day, leave alone at night. Teams are going to camp out here, braving the cold and the discomfort of the jungle. The Volvo XC Adventure is taking the game to the next level. But before that, our teams are going to set out to hunt for food.
I don't think I see any clues here.
What about dinner? Live off the earth. Take your Polaris for a drive. Find some food in the jungle. Flags will guide you. Look out.
Come back and cook. Keep the campfire burning to stuff off the wild beasts.
You have to find food and then cook it.
Once the teams finish with the Polaris run, familiarizing themselves with the vehicle, they are then given their clues, which ask them to cook food. For that, they need to get back on their Polaris and come here in the heart of the jungle. Here they find these bags with all the ingredients they need to survive through the night.
We'll try to find a nice green patch somewhere है जहाँ थोड़ा plain ground हो, सोने में मजा आए. एक काम करते हैं, थोड़ा आगे जाके ना कहीं flat जगह देखते हैं.
Oh, that is the raised.
Not very close, but not very far either.
See, there's the
Okay,
raised
this is the
part.
water we have to cook in, and then we'll decide who goes to get the food.
Right.
Or that you can get the fire burning, right? Yep. Chalo, let's go.
I was pretty sure that we had to spend our night in the jungle with wild animals and camp over there. So I had never done all this before, but I always wanted to do this.
Even if it's green and it's flat, we can pitch there. Yeah.
Prem's experience in this field was wonderful because he has been mountaineering since long.
It was the first time for me to be camping out in middle of the forest.
वहाँ पे बहुत stable ground लग रहा है, so we'll pitch it up there.
Camping for us is not novelty. We've both done it before. He's done a lot more than I have.
ये बांध लेते हैं, फिर इसको उठा के कहीं पे रख देंगे.
He knew what should we take care of, where to set a fire, which is the perfect location for the camping site. Prem was not there, then it would have been difficult for us.
सबको basic पता है क्या करना है इसके साथ. जो भी थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे होगा, वापस आके check कर लेंगे. अभी we are just heading out to see if we can find some food, if there is some food.
जिन्होंने मशीन चलाया है वो लोग जा रहे हैं फूड हंट करके लेके आने के लिए. मीनवाइल चिराग और मैं टेंट पिच अप करने की कोशिश करेंगे.
The best part was we had the Polaris with us, so whenever we had to go fetch food or get wood or wherever we have to go, we have the Polaris.
हमें बताया गया था कि रास्ते में फ्लैग्स होंगे और फ्लैग्स को आप फॉलो करते रहिए. ये क्लू कार्ड है, वहाँ पे आगे आपको खाना मिलेगा.
It was the first time that I set up camp. The whole process was just so new to me and so amazing that I was just absolutely thrilled by it.
Prem, Roy and Anushka, they had a lot of experience with camping out in the forest and pitching the tent. So everyone sort of looked towards them to help us.
This one here, I can feel it. So at your end, it should be there.
When we went to procure the food, we all were working together as a team. So we all went together and we saw flags over there.
Initially, when we did reach there, everyone was, running around grabbing the food from the trees.
पेड़ पे एक वो धागा बांध के छोटी-छोटी पोटलियाँ लटकी हुई थी.
Then I turn around and see Roy has 8 packets.
The whole thing was about the teamwork here.
Setting up the smaller tent was a breeze. We did it. The setting up the bigger tent required one bone to be correctly placed. So there were 4 bones.
Life in the jungle isn't easy, be it looking out for food or pitching a tent. Arvind and Anushka both struggled to erect their tent.
We had the longer bone in the position where the shorter bone was supposed to be there. And when we were trying to twist it to put in the nail, we found that one of the fixing links snapped off. We replaced it immediately and the tent was set up.
What did you find over there? How many were there?
There was a little confusion जिसकी वजह से वहाँ 10-15 मिनट हमारा जाया हुआ because you know counting में difference आ रहा था. Roy had 13 and he was counting at 12.
11, 12, 13. Guys, there's 13 here. I'm sorry.
13?
Yeah.
Found it!
Let's go then.
Let's go.
We're still in the process of figuring it out because it's all in, I think, German or Russian, but not English. So.
If we are not understanding this at all, there's no point wasting time here.
We thought of lighting a fire, so that's exactly what we're discussing. We're probably going to run around and collect a little bit of firewood and keep it.
Guys, what about the wood?
वापस आते वक्त हमें ख्याल आया कि लकड़ियाँ ले लेते हैं. सबको ख्याल आया क्योंकि वापस रात भर आग जला के रखनी है.
Anushka and me, both of us went in same direction at one time and in different directions. We collected a lot of firewood.
अगर आप थोड़ी सी लकड़ियाँ ले जाओगे तो वो रात भर नहीं जलेंगी. आपको मोटे तने या कुछ ऐसा चाहिए होगा.
पहले जो रास्ते में है ना, I think it'll be enough for a few hours.
All of us, you know, we're carrying amazing logs जहाँ बड़े-बड़े लकड़ियाँ लेके जा रहे थे. The people here are very, very friendly. हमने प्यार से मांगा, उन्होंने दे दिया.
Came back with those 2 huge logs of wood in the buggy. I was just so happy with him. I was just like, wow, talk about foresight. You want to help me take this out?
Wait.
He's like nailed it.
When I got back to the campsite, the 2 tents were done, not so properly, but the big ones had a lot of problems.
Now we are going to cook. I and Razia ji are cooking, and Sakshi and Anushka are helping us.
Food making process was initiated by Razia and Prabal because Prabal has multiple restaurants and he is very enthusiastic about cooking.
At that point, we had all started working as one unit instead of working as 4 separate units.
And that idea behind cooking together was just to save the firewood. Because one of the tasks was also to keep the fire running till morning.
मेरा contribution ये है कि आग को जलाए रख रहा हूँ.
वोल्वो एंजॉय कर रहे थे हम लोग. अभी खाना बनाना. हम लोग अभी आलू रोस्ट कर रहे हैं ऑयल में. देन उसके बाद हम चावल और दाल डाल के इसको बढ़िया सा खिचड़ी बनाने वाले हैं.
I've stayed away from home, so I wasn't really worried about, cooking. And we had to make khichdi, so that was the simplest thing.
I was trying to make fried aloo on the side because that's super tasty.
बहुत ही बढ़िया निकला है. गरम है.
The dal khichdi was wonderful, and that was best because it was made out of so much of love.
First batch of khichdi is done.
Wow. Now I found spoons to eat with, so I'm glad. I'm gonna feed everyone with these spoons.
We made more khichdi than was honestly required. साथ में मिलजुल के खाने में बहुत मजा आया. We didn't have plates, so 2 people, 3 people were eating out of the same lid.
It is so delicious, so bloody delicious. It is unbelievable that this has been cooked in the wild.
And we are eating this in the forest.
It was a good fun experience. It was stoking the fire and getting everything done.
It was like working as a family.
Exactly, essentially that's what we are. We're like a really big family of 8.
I'm very impressed, guys. This is very close to gourmet cooking. Ladies and gentlemen, like this fire that burns in front of me, it warms my heart to know that individually and together as a group, all of you have performed exceptionally. And all of us are very proud of each and every one of you. संदीप, आपके लिए एक सवाल है.
बोलिए.
हमारे पास मोटर है, बंगला है, गाड़ी है. तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
माँ है.
रज़िया, आपके घर में 2 बहुत सुंदर बच्चे हैं. उनकी याद आती है आपको?
बहुत याद आती है.
मिस करते हैं अपन को. कितने बड़े हैं आपके बच्चे?
6 years old. I talk to them. So they keep asking me, Mama, आप वोल्वो कहाँ चलाए? जंगल में चलाए, यहाँ चलाए, वहाँ चलाए. So they are also excited. Mama, आपकी याद आती है, but we are okay.
और कहीं ना कहीं वो जो प्यार है, वो जो लाड है, वो जो आपके यहाँ पे बाकी बच्चे हैं उन पे निकलता है.
Sure. They all very, very younger to me, and definitely there is a touch of that.
Nice. Enjoy yourself. You've done very well so far, so you must be proud of yourself. And I will see you tomorrow.
Arvind ji came up with this idea कि दो लोगों को 2 घंटे का पहरा देना होगा.
Besides setting up the tents and cooking the food and staying there throughout the night and keeping the fire burning, we need to be very watchful for wild animals. And the other thing was that each of us need rest.
What we have decided is
Yeah.
10 to 12 blue, 12 to 2 silver, 2 to 4 white, 4 to 6 black. So we'll do that shift.
And the night guard roster was set up.
Every 10-15 minutes, we used to take the torch, leave the fireplace, go to the tent site and look for animals if there are any, look for snakes.
I think all the experiences that we had, the entire process of sharing and caring for not just each other but the rest of the teams as well. I think that was vital to our survival. I think that was the key.
It was a lovely experience, and for me, it was poetry coming back. It was lovely.
Another evening of adventure and self-discovery here in the Satpura Tiger Reserve. Our city slickers have challenged themselves and come out trumps. But these guys will be pushed once again. And as this competition draws to a close, things are going to get even harder for them. For the very first time in this race, we are going to split you up.
Eventually, she caught up with me, and as a result of that, we got benched for 25 minutes. We lost a lot of time.
I was very disappointed because I thought we were doing fine.